Start by opening FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive. If it's already active, you'll find the icon in the top bar. Otherwise, open the App Store app and launch it from there. Click on Plus Add Server to begin creating a new connection. Choose the connection type from the drop-down menu. Select Google Drive. You can name the connection for easy reference. You can skip entering your Google account, but if you're not logged into Google in your default browser, you'll be prompted to log in. Click Add and Connect to set up and establish the connection. Google requires you to confirm you've read FileZilla Pro statement on the Google API Services User Data Policy. Click the OK button to accept. Then click again OK to access to the browser. If you're not yet logged in, Google will ask you to authenticate and grant the permissions. Now choose the Google account you want to set up. Click Select All, and then click Continue to grant FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive the necessary permissions. If prompted, review the server certificate. Click OK and flag they'll always trust this certificate to prevent future prompts. If it is the first time you connect to the server, Finder will ask you to enable the connection. Perfect! Now you have access to your Google Drive files from your Finder. FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive, your all-in-one file transfer solution. Get it now on the Apple App Store.